My name is Joey Cervantes. I've been in this industry for 10 years. I'm the comfort advisor here at Balance Comfort. The things I look forward to here in this industry is really the satisfaction I get from customers, our residential homeowners, building those relationships, being someone they can trust with when it comes to their services, when it comes to replacing their unit and just making them more comfortable in their own home. Outside of work, most of the time is spent on the back of my Harley, just taking it for rides, enjoying the time, me and my wife, or if I'm by myself with a couple of buddies. If I'm not on the back of the bike, I'm usually on a golf course, relieving some stress, enjoying my time, just enjoying the outdoors. When I'm in a customer's home, after talking to the customer for a few minutes, we come to a conclusion on what they really want out of Balance Comfort, whether it be saving money on their PG&E bill, being more environmentally friendly on their heating and cooling systems, or just bringing more comfort to their homes.